In this video, I'll show you how to use your mobile phone as a remote control for your LG Smart TV. First, download any remote control app for your mobile device. Now open the app and connect your LG TV. Follow my instructions step by step. Now type here the code you've seen on your TV. Now you need to enter the LG TV MAC address. Go to Settings, go to General. Go to Devices. Go to TV Management. Go to TV Information. You can see here MAC address wireless. Enter the code in your mobile. Now you choose Mobile Connection Management on your TV. Go to Settings, go to General. Go to Devices, go to External Devices. Go to TV on with mobile turn on via Wi-Fi. Now try your remote app is work with LG TV. That's it, you've successfully set up your mobile phone as a remote control for your LG Smart TV. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.